I'm living a dream by playing alongside the greatest of all time, so I want to enjoy it. He's not just one of the gods, but the god of football. So, of course, I'll enjoy playing with him. We used to be ranked 5th, but now we're up there with the best. Every player dreams of playing alongside the greatest of all time. So, for me, without a doubt, I'm living a dream by playing alongside the greatest of all time. So I want to enjoy it. I want to help keep winning because he's a winner. I get to play alongside one of the very best. So that's what I want to enjoy. Being with him, helping him win, making him even greater. He's not just one of the gods, but the god of football. So, of course, I'll enjoy playing with him and keep winning with him. I'm really grateful to everyone, and I'm exactly where I want to be in the MLS. Everyone knows I left United on a free transfer and had plenty of options. I had Italy. I had lots of teams to choose from, and I'm exactly where I want to be. I think the league is getting really strong. There are quality players, and there are players coming in from other leagues as well. So I think it's heading in the right direction. We always have to move forward. We always have to keep things fresh. We talk about refreshing what's happening in football, but I think it's growing. It's growing. And people like Jorge, who's had a club for 6 years and wants to keep growing by bringing in some of the best players in the world, has set a benchmark. We used to be ranked 5th, but now we're up there with the best.